We'll guide you through how to fix an Android not turning on. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. This problem can be really annoying as you are then unable to go and use your devices, so we've got some different fixes you can try. Make sure you watch this whole video. To go and get started, we want to make sure the phone just isn't completely out of battery. So what you want to do is go and grab its charger and you want to plug it in for at least 10 minutes, ideally longer. Go and see if anything happens during that time. If it goes and starts or not. If nothing happens, then what we're going to try doing is performing a force restart in case there's some type of bug or glitch, which just stops the screen from properly turning on. To do this, we need to come onto the side and press the volume down button and the power button together like so. Now what you want to do is keep this held down. Within 10 to 15 seconds, the screen should hopefully light up and you can release the buttons and it's now going and starting again. And wait, hopefully now the phone is working and you're able to go and use it. However, if you still got a black screen, what we need to do is make sure the phone is actually charging. So you want to go and check the port. Just make sure there's no lint or anything else in there which is stopping it from charging and the cable getting to the connectors. You can use a soft brush to go and remove anything. It's also worth using a different cable and adapter as well. Just make sure it's not a problem with that as well. After you have cleared out the port and you're using a different cable and adapter, now go and see if it will go and charge.